You can make banana smoothie with just the simple ingredients you have at home. Hey guys, welcome back to Sahara Lifestyle. In this video, we'll be making banana smoothie. Yeah, if you have banana at home and you've been eating it raw with granules, it's about time you change the style or you change the delicacy. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more updates. First of all, we start by washing the banana thoroughly, the whole thing, so that if there's any dirt or anything, it doesn't get into the fruit itself. Then after washing it, you start slicing it or you start chopping it, and you should chop it in accordance to your blender's health. Anyway, let me mention the ingredients needed. So the main ingredient is banana. You also need sugar, you need milk, and you need a blender. You can do away with milk and sugar, or you can do away with sugar. You can use honey as a substitute. Yes, but I think the milk you should add this. That is why it is called a smoothie. I think you should add the milk so that to give it this smooth and nice taste. So after chopping everything, make sure you chop it in according to your blender strength. If your blender is strong enough, you can cut it bigger than I am cutting mine. And some people even use bigger bananas. This is a local banana, and we plucked it right from the plant, and I made it ripe. After ripening, then I started doing the smoothie. So it depends. Maybe you can get yours from a store bigger than this or anything, any type of banana. Yeah. Some benefits of banana is banana is a source of vitamin C. It's a fruit. It's a source of vitamin C, and also there's magnesium in the fruit, which helps in your skin. It helps in giving you a very nice skin. There's also potassium in banana, which helps heart health. So when you eat banana often and you have heart issues, it can help. It's a natural thing. It can help with your heart. It is also good for the hair, helps in hair porosity. So if your hair is not porous enough and you blend banana and apply it on your skin and let it set in for a while, it can make your hair porous. Yeah. So banana is a whole thing on its own. I think if you want to lose weight as well, you can even start using banana because it wouldn't make you eat so much. Yeah. So after cutting my everything, I pour them into the blender. And then one thing I also added was ice cubes. I added ice cubes because I didn't want the banana to be so thick, the smoothie to be so thick. I wanted the consistency to be in between thick and light, not too light, not too thick. So I just crushed some ice cubes and then poured it inside. It depends on how thick you want, and you can increase the quantity of ice cubes you add. And then I added my sugar. I said earlier you can add honey if you don't do well with sugar. If you are not cool with sugar, you can just add honey to it. After adding my sugar, I also added my milk. So the milk is what will give it that smooth taste, and then it just gives it a very nice taste. So yeah, you should add milk. After adding these basic ingredients, because milk is very basic, sugar is very basic, blender too is very basic. I think if you don't have a blender, you can use a masher. Or if you don't have a masher, I don't know what you can use though, but at least you should have a blender. Yeah, so I blend it until it becomes smooth, very smooth. I blend it until every banana chunk in it is blended, is smooth. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Have you tried this before? If not, do you think of trying it in the future? And someone asked that, what can you take this with? You can even take this raw. You can honestly take this raw, or if you have some granules, you can just, after pouring it into your cup or something, you can just put some granules on it, and then you take it with it. So it's a very nice snack. You can use it as snack or as supper when you don't want to eat anything heavy. Yeah. So this was something small I did. I didn't want to do so much that I wouldn't be able to consume with my family, so I just did a little. When it's small and you do it and it's very nice, they always want small. But when you do it too much and they eat and they are too full, they don't want you to do again. So just do it enough so everyone can get some to eat, but don't do it too much. Yeah. So after my banana is well blended, is smooth and nice, I transfer it into a very nice clean cup. I wash the cup to make sure there's no dirt in it before transferring the banana into it. So please check the consistency. It's not so thick, it's not so light. You see, it's not very thick, it's not very light. So this one, you're supposed to eat it with a spoon because it's not so light that you need a straw. You can suck it. Even in sucking, you can do it, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend you use a spoon. You can add some granules to it so you can enjoy it better. So yeah, try doing this at home for the family, for yourself, just to change your taste and enjoy it. So I tested my first spoon, and I must say it was nice. I really enjoyed it. It wasn't too sugary, neither it wasn't too light. It wasn't like, it was just perfect for me. Let me know your thoughts. If you are new to this channel, please, I'll see you in my next video. This is a simple way of making banana smoothie. Till next time, bye.